In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you something that most successful online entrepreneurs never talk about publicly. The secret room where 5-figure monthly paychecks are really made. I've used this to generate consistent 10K plus months without drowning in client work, endless fulfillment, or 12-hour work days. And today, I'm giving you a rare chance to step inside. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. Making a few $100 in commissions, that's one thing. But scaling to consistent, reliable 5 figures per month, that's where most people hit an invisible wall. You know what I mean? If you've ever struggled to find actual high-ticket clients and not tire kickers, got burned by promising deals that went nowhere, found yourself drowning in client work the moment you started scaling, I get it. I lived it. My first few years, pure chaos. Sales calls, client management, fulfillment, working 12-hour days just to keep the wheels turning. Then I discovered something that changed everything. Success in this game hinges on 2 critical elements: having the right systems, being in the right rooms. Over the last decade, I've not only built automation processes that run my virtual commission business on autopilot, I've also joined elite communities that connected me to top earners, bigger deals, and powerful partnerships. That's exactly why I created the Inner Club. The Inner Club is where 80% of our most successful students actually make their biggest breakthroughs happen. Think of it as your success accelerator that gives you lifetime access to our most advanced training, premium automation tools to manage multiple high-ticket clients hands-free, a tight-knit community of action takers who make big things happen. Here's what makes the Inner Club different. The Profit Flow Expansion Module TM, our proprietary automation suite, handles client fulfillment and streamlines your entire operation. No more being stuck in the trenches 24/7. Elite communities stay to stand out with an elite member badge, get priority support, and make high-level connections that drive the biggest deals. Voice to Content Unlimited, your built-in content machine. Stop paying thousands to copywriters. Just speak your ideas and instantly convert them into sales pages, emails, ads, anything you need. This means you can scale faster, serve multiple high-ticket clients simultaneously while automation does the heavy lifting. Earn more. Keep 70% profit margins by outsmarting the fulfillment trap. Create content on demand, turn your voice into entire campaigns in minutes, connect with top players, surround yourself with people who share deals, not just advice. Now you might be thinking, Neil, I'm not tech savvy enough for this. Wrong. Our systems are straightforward, and you get priority support as an Inner Club member. What about creating marketing materials? That's why we built Voice to Content Unlimited. Just talk and watch our AI craft any marketing piece you need. Here's everything you get: lifetime access to all training, elite community status, Profit Flow Expansion Module, Voice to Content Unlimited, total real-world value over $4,000. But because you're seeing this right after joining Virtual Commissions, you qualify for a massive discount. Right now only, you can join the Inner Club for just $197. That's not monthly, that's one time. But fair warning, this offer vanishes when the timer hits 0. We cap membership to keep our community focused and high value. My personal guarantee, take 30 days. Access everything. If you don't see how the Inner Club can realistically add thousands to your monthly revenue, just let me know for a hassle-free refund. So if you're ready to automate the grunt work, click the button below and secure your Inner Club access for just $197. Picture this. In just minutes, you'll be inside the community that's creating more success stories than everything else combined. No more heavy lifting, just rising income. That future starts when you click the button below. I'll see you on the inside.